Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a few important concepts related to lens. Lens is a piece of transparent material with two refracting surfaces, one of which is at least a curved surface. So we can just mention in short, transparent material with two refracting surfaces, at least one surface must be curved. And what is a concave lens? Concave lens is the lens in which the central part of the lens is thin. For example, this, right? And then you can consider this also, right? So here the central part is thin. This is called biconcave lens and this is plano-concave lens. If we talk about convex lens, the central part is thick. So central part thick means this one, this is biconvex lens. And then you can consider this also as concavo-convex lens. So here this is thin at center and convex is thick at center. We are quickly recalling the concepts. Optical center is the center point of the lens. For example, if you are given this lens, then this point is called as optical center, denoted by O. And this line which passes through the optical center and focus I'll discuss after this. This is called as principal axis. This is the line passing through focus and optical center. So optical center here is denoted by O. Right, so this is the principal axis. What is principal focus? Principal focus is the point at which the lines coming parallel to principal axis meet after refraction from the convex lens. So these are the rays parallel to principal axis. These after refraction through this convex lens actually meet at this point which is called as principal focus. Then we have I'll define it. The point at which the rays coming parallel to principal axis meet. This is in case of convex lens. Or appear to be coming from after refraction through the convex or concave lens. So when these appear to be coming from, this is for concave lens, right? So when these are discussed in case of convex lens, then the rays parallel to the principal axis actually meet after refraction from the concave lens, convex lens. And in case of convex lens, what happens? This is the principal axis, and here the rays coming parallel to the principal axis. This is a diverging lens. This is a diverging lens. So when we extend it backwards, this appears to be coming from here. So this is called as principal focus of a concave lens, right? Focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the optical center. Right? Now we discuss the rays for image formation by a lens. We know that a minimum of 2 rays are required for the formation of image. So here what rays can we take? We have to discuss that. So first ray is the ray parallel to the principal axis. Passes through focus after refraction. Right? So here if I want to draw, this will be the ray parallel to the principal axis. If this is the focus, then it will pass through the focus after refraction. Second ray will be the ray which is passing through the focus before refraction will be parallel after refraction. So if we have an object here, this is the focus, suppose, right? And this ray which is passing through focus, this becomes parallel to the principal axis after refraction. So this is the second ray which we can take for image formation. The third ray is the ray passing through optical center goes undeviated. Right, so that means if our object is here, this goes undeviated. So these are the three rays which we can consider, out of which we can consider any two for the image formation by a lens. So we can draw a similar diagram for concave lens also. Here I have shown for the convex lens only. So I'll just draw in short. If I take this concave lens, and here also so in this case the parallel ray appears to be coming from focus. So this is diverging lens, so it appears to be coming from focus because this is a concave lens. In this case, if it is so this was appearing to be coming towards the focus becomes parallel after refraction, and this is the most easy, the line which passes through the optical center goes undeviated. So this was all about the basic concepts related to the image formation by lenses. That's all for now. Have a nice day.